In this case, the sample PDF we have is straightforward. It contains some placeholder text, often referred to as lorem ipsum. This text is commonly used in the design world to fill space and give an idea of how the final document will look. The phrases like facialis facialis audio sed me and cerobitus suscipit are just examples of text that don't carry specific meaning but help visualize the layout. Think of a PDF like a picture frame. Just as a frame holds a picture in place, a PDF holds text and images in a specific layout, ensuring they look the same no matter where you open it. In summary, a simple PDF file is a versatile tool for sharing documents while maintaining their original format. First, the phrase vestibulum dictum olicet same suggests that we should focus on clarity and coherence in our sentences. This means that each part of our writing should connect smoothly to the next. When we say nulla facilisi, it emphasizes that we should avoid making things overly complicated. Writing should be straightforward and easy to follow. Next, vestibulum acum sonanti vitae elite highlights the importance of placing significant ideas at the forefront of our writing. We want to grab the reader's attention right away. The mention of nullum varius conquerisus reminds us that variety in our sentence structure can keep the reader engaged. For example, think of writing like cooking. Just as a good dish needs a mix of flavors and textures, effective writing benefits from a blend of sentence types and lengths. In summary, clarity, simplicity, and variety are key elements that enhance our writing. By focusing on these principles, we can create more impactful and engaging texts. When we talk about writing, it's important to focus on how ideas connect and support each other. For instance, consider how a well-structured paragraph can guide the reader smoothly from one thought to the next. The flow of sentences matters. It should feel natural and engaging. Just like a river flows around rocks, your writing should navigate through ideas without abrupt stops or confusion. In summary, effective writing relies on clear connections between ideas, ensuring that the reader can easily follow along. By focusing on structure and flow, you can enhance the clarity and impact of your writing. When we talk about writing, it's important to understand how different elements come together to create a cohesive piece. For instance, the way we introduce ideas can set the tone for the entire text. A strong opening can grab the reader's attention and guide them through the content. Similarly, transitions between sentences and paragraphs help maintain a smooth flow, making it easier for readers to follow along. Imagine you're building a bridge. Each part of the bridge needs to connect well to ensure that it's stable and safe to cross. In writing, each sentence and paragraph should connect logically to the next, creating a pathway for the reader. In summary, effective writing relies on clear structure and smooth transitions. These elements work together to enhance the reader's experience and understanding. In our discussion, we touch upon the idea of how elements are arranged and interact with each other. For instance, when we talk about Aeneon Pelantesque, we are referring to a specific way of organizing components that can enhance functionality and aesthetics. The phrase in Maurus suggests that these elements are often found in a central position, playing a crucial role in the overall design. When we consider Pelantesque duinici, it indicates that certain elements can serve multiple purposes, like a button that not only looks good but also performs an important function. The mention of ut audio hosto emphasizes the importance of balance and harmony in design, ensuring that everything works together smoothly. Think of it like a well-orchestrated team where each member has a role that contributes to the success of the whole. In summary, understanding how to arrange and connect different elements is vital for creating effective designs. First, Let's talk about how our muscles and tissues work together. The phrase "Clarice's daughter" suggests a dynamic interaction, where different parts of our body, like muscles and tendons, play a role in movement. For instance, when we run, our leg muscles contract and relax, allowing us to propel forward. This is similar to how a well-coordinated team works together to achieve a common goal. Next, Fasciculata ipsum mauris indicates the importance of strength and stability. Just like a sturdy building needs a solid foundation, our bodies rely on strong muscles to support our movements. If one part is weak, it can affect the whole system. In summary, understanding how our muscles and tissues interact is crucial for maintaining good health and movement. By recognizing the importance of strength and coordination, we can better appreciate how our bodies function. In our discussion, we focus on how different elements come together to create a productive environment. For instance, when we talk about facilitation, it's about guiding a group to ensure everyone participates and feels comfortable sharing their ideas. This is similar to how a conductor leads an orchestra, making sure each musician plays their part harmoniously. We also touch on the importance of addressing challenges that may arise. Just like in a team project, if one member is struggling, it's crucial to support them to maintain the overall flow of work. This ensures that everyone can contribute effectively and that the group achieves its goals. In summary, creating a supportive and engaging environment is key to successful interactions, whether in a classroom, workplace, or any group setting. By facilitating open communication and addressing issues, we can foster collaboration and creativity.